So here's a quick overview of the Instant Box camera. As you can see on the front, we have attached to the negative holder, which slides into these small pieces attached to the box and fastened with a bolt. On the side, we have the light tight sleeve attached on the inside with a rubber band. It's removable, so you can also wash it. We have the tension locks above. And on the back door, we got hinges with a sliding lock. You can see on all corners there are leather protections. You receive them as 3/4 circles and you just bend them around the corner and then glue and nail them on. There's also the handle from leather on the top, which is attached with special screws. And you can see on the back side there's a rod sticking out. That is your focusing rod with a knob attached. On the side we get also hinges connecting the box to the lid. And on the tripod you can see there's this belt attached. There are small screws that we install on the tripod legs and the belt is sort of stuck into them. That's the box in a nutshell.